Hey, what's going on? My name is Michael, and you guys are watching IDB. It is hard to believe it's been an entire year since I took the plunge and invested $1,100 Canadian in my Apple Watch Ultra. Today, I'm excited to share my overview of how this high-end wearable has fared during that time. Initially, I was taken back by the price tag, but as you'll soon discover, the overall experience has been so rewarding that I can confidently say it's been worth every penny. Let's go ahead and jump in right now. The Apple Watch Ultra's ability to always keep me connected with cellular is nothing short of a technological marvel. I've experienced the newfound freedom of leaving my phone at home on various occasions. Whether I'm out on a morning run, spending an afternoon at the gym, or just running a quick errand at the grocery store, this watch has proven itself as my trusty sidekick day in, day out. It effortlessly lets me respond to text messages, take phone calls, and even enjoy my favorite music through my AirPods. Going to the gym with just my AirPods and Apple Watch Ultra has become a delightful routine for me. It's akin to having a miniature command center right on my wrist, offering the peace of mind that I'm always reachable no matter where I am. This level of independence from your iPhone is something that truly sets the Apple Watch Ultra apart from other smartwatches. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into the battery life, a crucial aspect of any smartwatch. Despite my rather demanding usage, I am continually amazed at how little time I devote to charging this device. Just a quick 20-minute charge when I'm in the shower at nighttime is enough to keep it powered throughout the entire day. But here is the real kicker. After an entire year of this routine, my battery health still stands strong at a remarkable 100%. This level of longevity is simply impressive, making the watch a dependable companion that I can trust every single day without constantly worrying about the battery life running out. The exceptional battery life of the Apple Watch Ultra is more than just a convenience. It is a game changer. Imagine being able to use your smartwatch all day and night without constantly worrying about charging. This is precisely what the Ultra offers, and it really is a testament to Apple's engineering prowess that after a year of constant use, the battery health still remains pristine. It is simply a relief knowing that I can rely on this watch to get me throughout the day, no matter how busy I am. So now let's shift our focus to the fitness features, which have played a pivotal role in my daily routine. The heart rate sensor on the Ultra is outstanding, consistently delivering precise readings every single time. It doesn't matter if I'm hitting the pavement for a run, taking to the pool for a swim, or doing a yoga session. This watch is always right there with me, tracking my progress. What's particularly noteworthy is the flexibility in which it offers with custom workout routines, allowing me to tailor my fitness regimen to meet my specific goals. On top of this, the gamification aspect with the rings and friendly competition has genuinely kept me motivated to meet my fitness goals. But beyond the surface, it also excels in monitoring an array of health metrics, such as resting heart rate, respiratory rate, walking heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even detailed sleep stage analysis. It's essentially like having a personal health coach on my wrist, providing valuable insights into my overall well-being. The fitness and well-being features of the Apple Watch Ultra are nothing short of comprehensive. The heart rate sensor's precision is not just for show, it's an actual tool that can help you optimize your workouts and monitor your overall health. The customizable workout routines ensure that your fitness goals are always within reach, whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or simply stay active. When it comes to durability, the Apple Watch Ultra is more than just tough. It feels practically indestructible. The combination of titanium and sapphire is a winning formula, making this smartwatch one of the most robust devices I've ever used. And after a year of continuous use, I'm genuinely astonished to report that there isn't even a single blemish or scratch on my display. And also, the titanium body has shown very minimal signs of wear and tear. This watch isn't just a piece of tech, it really is a testament to Apple's commitment to quality and durability. Truly impressive. The durability of Apple Watch Ultra is outstanding. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a rugged piece of technology that can handle wear and tear of daily life. The combination of titanium and sapphire, as I said before, ensures the watch remains scratch-free and pristine even after a year of active use. I now want to talk a little bit about the convenience features of the watch. The first one is Siri, Apple's digital assistant. It has been an unexpected, valuable addition to the Apple Watch Ultra for me. It is surprising how often I find myself using Siri to kickstart my workouts, open applications, set reminders on the fly, and even if I'm about to head out of the house, I can quickly check the weather using just Siri. It's these subtle conveniences that add up to enhance the overall user experience of the Ultra. And speaking of convenience, Apple Pay is another integration which is a game changer for me. It completely eliminates the need for me to dig out my phone for transactions, making payments a lot faster and more streamlined. The watch's constant authentication means that payment is a lot faster because when you put the watch on at the start of your day, you enter your passcode, and from there, your watch never comes off your wrist. So you can pay with Apple Pay without entering a passcode or doing any authentication. And I also want to quickly talk about a feature that I've been using a lot more lately, which is walkie-talkie. I believe this is a hidden gem of the Apple Watch. It is a fun and somewhat underrated way to communicate with friends and family who also have an Apple Watch. The speed and simplicity of sending voice messages right through walkie-talkie is quite remarkable. It may not be the main reason to get the Apple Watch Ultra, but it certainly is a delightful bonus that adds a layer of interactivity and novelty to the device. It's one of those features you didn't know you wanted until you tried it. I also want to quickly mention watchOS 10, which is a major update for the Apple Watch, which completely changes the way you use it. It's coming out in September, and most new Apple Watch models are going to support watchOS 10. Control Center is now accessible with a click of the side button, and swiping up on your watch face is now going to show widgets and also live activities such as music playing. On top of this, almost every application has been redesigned. Some of my favorites include weather, maps, sleep, fitness, and also stocks. This update makes applications feel more like their iOS counterpart with more full screen elements and better animations. So in conclusion, my 1-year journey with the Apple Watch Ultra has been nothing short of impressive. Despite the initial sticker shock, this watch has proven itself to be a worthy investment thanks to its always connected capabilities, exceptional battery life, versatile fitness features, outstanding durability, and the added conveniences of Siri and Apple Pay. If you're on the fence of getting an Apple Watch Ultra, right now, if you're watching this video when it came out, I would hold off a bit just because the new Apple Watch Ultra version 2 is coming out very soon. However, when September hits and the new watch comes out, you may be able to get the original Apple Watch Ultra for a lot cheaper. So just keep that in mind. With all that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, and I'm also looking forward to reading all of your comments on this video. If you own an Apple Watch, let me know in the comments. My name is Michael, and I'll see you next time.